Alright, I guess we'll keep on documenting things since we got to see how the carburetor turned out. I've got a feeling we're not done yet. Okay. Probably need a little more light on the subject, don't we? What are we looking at here? So we still got a bunch of this side is coming along a lot better. I've got a flathead screwdriver in the house. It isn't busted. Anybody? Anybody? Not looking good. Here we go. I need to get me some new screwdrivers. Oh, this is too big. Oh well, whatever. We'll take out that main jet later. So, oh, look at this, man. This is like varnish. This gas oil stuff. I'll see if I can do it like so. Just caked in there. It's like a frosting. I have to get that out by hand. At least get it loosened up before that cleaner is going to get it off. Chocolatey. Look at that. That's a first for me. I don't think I've seen anything quite like this. I wonder if it would just dissolve in gas. I've got a feeling the fuel thing is plugged up. That's another reason it wasn't getting any gas. Oh man. You ever read those posts on Moped Army? Someone gets a moped and I cleaned the carb and it still won't start. Okay, well, sometimes cleaning the carburetor is a very involved process, as you can see. So it's probably involves multiple stages of cleaning, as this does. This is pretty amazing. So maybe if I can loosen this up and kind of scrape most of it off, we can see some more progress. But yeah, this is blocked with goodies. Main jet is visible, pilot jet's visible. I can see a tiny hole through the main jet. Nothing through the pilot jet. The pilot jet is completely clogged as well. Float bowl gasket, seen better days. we've got, hold on a minute. So, fuel this is clogged with stuff in it. I'll have to run a wire through it, and it goes to right here. That's got gunk in it. Let's just see if we can get anything through that while we're having fun on camera. Ready? And what do you know? That was surprising. Got a little, that's a nice smell. What I may have to do is soak this in the, take all the gaskets off and soak it in the nasty stuff. Let's try. I don't think I can get that in the oil location. What does the oil thing go right to here? Looks like it, doesn't it? Let's see what happens. Oh, that's the overflow. So this is fuel, overflow, choke. Can we get anything? Oh, it's the auto choke. Let's see if we get anything to go down that. It just came out the other side. Yeah, a little bit came out. Choke. And then, where's the oil? Oh, it just kicked. Oh, really? The oil just gets pumped in right into the slide area. Is that right? Looks like it, doesn't it? Oil connection, yeah. I don't use WD-40 to clean carbs. I'm just testing the passages with it. So try not to freak out. You know, I know you're getting ready to write something in the comments. What the hell are you doing, man? You stupid or something? Don't you know what you're doing? Everybody's eager to jump on your back, you know. Oh, that's wrong. What are you talking about? Oh my God. Just sit back, relax. Everything's fine. I've done this 1,000 times, kids. So, anyhow, I will scrape as much of this off as I can, and we'll let the ultrasonic cleaner attack it some more, and I will report back. Thanks for watching.